Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice. We're out here at a client's house and we're gonna show you something that's very new to us. This is the first time we've used it, so pay attention and we'll show you what's going on here. So basically I have a pair of Play Ones that we're using for surround sound setup with the Sonos soundbar and sub. So first things first is we wanted a way that we could utilize it without setting them on her bar. And this is a way that we came up with. Basically it's already got a plug in there. So if you take a look at the one I already have here, you just drape your wire around there, shove it through this hole, and then you'll take this all off, and then here's your wire for your electrician to connect. So let's flip this one over, and I've already got the Sonos one in there. Wires are ready to go. Electrician has a little hole right here where he can make his connections and then shove it all back in there, and then we have a cover that goes back all over it. And then once all said and done, it looks like a regular in-ceiling speaker. Stay tuned, check it out, and we'll show you a finished product. Thanks.
So for all you people out there that like the awesome sound of these Play Ones but don't want to see them, this is a great solution to hide it in your ceiling and make it look like an in-ceiling speaker and still utilize all the functions of your Sonos app. And don't forget to have a great choice day.